First generation product, 9-inch screen. This is our new second generation product, 11.8-inch screen, full screen display. This is the original 11.8-inch screen machine. It has two parts below. The first one is to control the volume. The right one is for controlling the UI. Volume control. Back to the air conditioning section. You can adjust the air conditioner's speed by clicking it, and air volume. You can also adjust it manually. Here you can adjust the air conditioner temperature. The buttons below can also adjust the air conditioner's temperature. There is also an AC adjustment switch here. Click to turn off AC. This position is for internal and external circulation. You can also adjust it on the screen. Click here to turn on the emergency light, and the second click turns off the emergency light. The rear windshield defogging button. The screen will synchronize the operation. All these keyboards are touch buttons.